She's asking about the Pakistani nuclear capabilities, and she's wondering, will the Arab nation withdraw any benefit from these new capabilities?
Never draw any benefit from anything. Their minds are befogged by their submission to the world powers, or submission to their own personal interests. I don't see ever that they draw benefits from the warnings from God, which happen everywhere. And they should be able to draw benefit, but they can't. Apart from that, whatever benefit could they draw? That is the question. Of the nuclear capability of Pakistan, would they go to develop nuclear capability themselves? What happened to Iraq? Iraq stands as a lesson for them. Never try it, because you live in a very dangerous area where the supremacy of the Jews will be protected by America at all costs. This is the lesson they must have drawn from what happened to Iraq. Now, when they see similar capability occurring in Indo-Pakistan, they should understand that this has no bearing on things in the Middle East. Or America would not have permitted such a thing. They might have destroyed the capability right in the offing. So because it has locked India against Pakistan and Pakistan against India, if anything happens, both will be destroyed. So much the better for the superpowers, because economically these two countries will have to turn to them for favors and rebuilding their economy. So either way, they draw their benefit from these things which occur at a safe distance from Israel. So this is the benefit of understanding they should draw from it. Contrary to what you think, the Arab countries or all the Muslim countries cannot draw any benefit from what is happening between India and Pakistan. But Pakistan can draw benefits from Muslim countries. So it's the other way around. That is why they are approaching every Muslim country with a begging bowl in their hand. We are Muslims, please help us against India, which is not a Muslim country. So whatever they donate towards Pakistan by oil or by dollars and things, who would be the benefactor? The Muslim country would be the benefactor, and Pakistan would be beneficiary. And this is exactly what they're trying to do. They even invited Yasir Arafat. Poor Yasir Arafat. What can he do? He can't do anything for his own country. And he's only giving them, we call in Urdu, halasheri. Well done, go ahead. Fight India. We are with you. In what sense we are with you? How can he or his people be with Pakistan in this situation? So Pakistan is deceiving all Muslim countries into giving them some dole, some money or something in kind like oil, etc., to help them extricate themselves from this situation.